Hi, my name is Judith Camps. I'm a marine scientist and a PhD student at the University of Barcelona. I grew up in the Delta del Ebre, a unique place where the land and sea met. And here is where my passion for the ocean began.
El Delta del Ebre is one of the largest wetlands in the Western Mediterranean. It covers over 320 square kilometers and hosts more than 300 species of birds, including iconic flamingos. Its marine and coastal ecosystems support diverse life, from seagrass meadows and fish nurseries to benthic invertebrates and migratory species. Today, my research dives deeper, quite literally. My European project is called Rapid Characterization of Symbiosis Genes in Octocorals. But what is a coral? Corals build one of the most important ecosystems in the ocean. They are animals, but they look like rocks because they make a skeleton underneath themselves, and they leave it behind as they grow up towards the sun. And then that creates homes for sponges, clams, snails, and other invertebrates. And those smaller organisms are what feed the bigger fish and the bigger fish. So without corals, you slowly lost the ability to support the entire pyramid. Some of them live in symbiosis with microscope algae inside their tissues. These algae capture sunlight and produce energy and nutrients throughout photosynthesis. But under temperature stress, the relationship breaks down. The coral expels the algae, and without them, bleaches. In the Mediterranean Sea, only Unicella singularis hosts symbiotic algae in its tissue. However, this species is unique because it presents both symbiotic and non-symbiotic forms, with the specimens living inside caves where light doesn't reach and symbionts are absent. So my European project aimed to better understand the genetic mechanisms behind this symbiotic relationship. To do this, I studied coral genes using molecular analysis to compare colonies with and without algae. This helps us identify which genes may play a role in the establishment, regulation, or loss of symbiosis in octocorals.